Hey everyone, if you want to create a professional invoice in Microsoft Word in 2026, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to design a clean and business-ready invoice easily. First, open Microsoft Word and search for invoice templates. This helps you save time and gives you a ready-made professional structure. Next, add your business details like name, address, email, and phone number. This is the identity of your invoice. Now include your client's information. Add their name, company, and contact details clearly. After that, add invoice number and date. This helps you track payments and maintain records properly. Next, list your products or services in a table. Include description, quantity, price, and total for each item. Now calculate subtotal, tax, and final amount. Double-check all numbers before sending the invoice. After that, add payment instructions. Include bank details, mobile banking, or any payment method you accept. Finally, format your invoice properly with clean spacing and alignment. This makes it look professional and trustworthy. Then save your file as a PDF. This ensures your invoice looks perfect when shared with clients. So yeah, that's how you create an invoice in Microsoft Word in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to make professional invoices in minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more business tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!